All right, so here we have a 1994 GMC Suburban. We're under the vehicle now. We're looking at the transmission. This is the transmission mount. It's what we're going to be replacing today. All right, so the first thing we need to do to get this out is we have a nut on the bottom of this stud. This one here is an 11/16, so we'll go ahead and remove that nut. All right, so the next thing we need to do is we need to remove the transmission upwards. So I have a dead man. This could be done with a floor jack or something like that. All right, so I'm just going to use a block of wood to keep from denting the transmission pan. All right, so you can already see why we're doing this. Here's the bottom of our mount. Has come loose from the top of our mount. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take these two bolts here off. All right, so there's our top and our bottom. So these two pieces are supposed to be together. So there's where we had all of our movement, our noise. Okay, so here we have our new one that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. Okay, so you can see where it was ripped and the base out. Okay, so I just lined up the stud. And I have enough room from the jack. I just rolled it in. Go ahead and put our bolts back in. All right, so now that I have those two bolts, I'll go ahead and bring down our dead man. All right, so now we'll go ahead and put our bottom nut on. All right, we're all set. We'll go ahead and give it a test drive, make sure that the noise is all gone, and we're all set.